What's going on, everybody? Yup, we finally got the Motorola Edge Plus, and the video is starting right now.
How we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be.
Alright guys, we got this phone. We got the Moto Edge Plus. You guys already know, Verizon exclusive. Let's go through a little bit of the quick tech specs. Snapdragon 865 X55 modem, 256 gigs of memory, 8 gigs of RAM, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 90 hertz refresh rate, screen. I think that's about it on the technical spec wise, guys, because this is just a unboxing, and I think everybody has already done enough to put out tech specs out there on the guys that are blessed to have early access to these phones. So as we can see this right now, let's get this baby open, dude. Let's get her open, get her done. See if I can do this with one hand while I'm in the car. Ain't gonna happen for you guys. See here, there we go. We got that open up. See, we get the other one opened up. Actually, guys, the box is really not even that thick, to be honest. That's compared to Galaxy boxes and stuff where they're big and huge. This one's really not that big, which I am surprised about. Alright, she's unboxed, nothing in the inner part. Yeah, we got a little case for it too, little spec case designed for Motorola, which is nice, so it'll work good. Alright, and here she is. Wow, that bump is really bumpy. So we got the phone, we got some little Verizon documentation, we got the it's supposed to be 18 watt fast charging turbo charging cube. All right, we got that, and then we got a USB A to C cable, which, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's cool and everything, but I think it should have went C to C. Yep, it is A to C. I should have went C to C on this, but it is what it is. And this is Verizon exclusive, guys. Verizon exclusive phone. So there you go. She's out of her comfort zone. Does she come with a screen protector? No, she does not. So no screen protector from the factory. Let's see, make sure. Yep, none. So let's power this bad boy on. And there she is, powered on, guys. Wow, she is a beaut. 108 megapixel cam. Pretty bump. Thickness is not that bad, guys. It actually feels really good in the hands compared to my Ultra. I'll tell you that. It's more balanced. I can go end to end without playing the aerobics with your hand here. So I can go corner pretty decent. So let me get this phone booted up in the main menu, and then I'll come back real quick. Be right back. Alright guys, here she is booted up, and of course, we got the typical Verizon apps on here a little bit, but it's not too bad. Let's see if this S20 Ultra will focus. Okay, I mean, screen does look good. I mean, on here it technically looks a little bit off, but it's actually very vanilla based. We just got the YouTube. What are the additional apps? Netflix, Disney, Verizon Cloud, Call Filter, Digital Secure, my Verizon app, and Amazon and Apple Music. It's not that bad. Actually, my OnePlus 8 from Verizon had actually more bloatware than this. So this is actually pretty vanilla based. So let's see how the camera holds up. Okay, so I guess it has that's how you get your different photo modes. So it has portrait, cutout, macro, spot color, night vision, panorama, cinemagraph, ultra res, and live filters. And the video mode has 4 options: portrait, macro, slow motion, time lapse. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. Let's just take a quick little picture here. Let's see how she does. Good response, quick. Let's do the telephoto. Let's do it quick. Let's do a point ultra wide lens. Let's compare those real quick. Actually, sorry about that. Let's see here. Wow, really good detail in these photos, guys. I know you can't, it's hard to see, but some good sharp detail. Not bad. So other than that, guys, I mean, this is really about it. This is the Thunder gray color. The buttons right here are on the side. They're pretty thin, but the power button is textured. Here's the volume rocker. It's spaced out pretty decently. Let's see here what's up with this edge display. They said you should be able to do some clicks or something like that. Let's see. Edge touch. Double tap the edge for action shortcuts. Let's try it out. Oh, okay. So I guess you can tap the edge to get shortcuts. And then you can opt out if you don't want it, which is nice. Now let's see. They said in the settings you should be able to turn this feature off. So let's see if we can. Edge lights. So you can turn it off. Is that what that means? Oh no, that's for notifications. Edge display. Okay, so you can have these apps give you your edge display. But can you turn it off? Oh, you can turn it off for all apps. Boom, so you turn it off, you don't get any edge display. 90 comes stock on the 90 hertz refresh rate, which is actually good. So, I mean, other than that, guys, this phone basically explains itself. It's decent. We're going to do some speed testing on it. We're going to test her out and see what she's about. We're gonna rock it with this spec case that they sell for it, and I'll let you guys, I'll make another video and we'll post up how she does, long-term review, because the OnePlus 8 failed me. It's a hot potato. Alright then, guys, have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Remember, in the video, in the description down below, I'll leave some links for Discord, links for, you know, the sponsorship Dicks by Mail. We got an invite. I'm gonna put the code on there to get some money off. I think it's gonna be 15% off your order, so I'll put that in the description down below. And Twitter handle, Facebook, all that will be down there. Alright then, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.